Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to sync your Xfinity remote. First, make sure your television and Xfinity cable box are both turned on. Next, find the Setup button on your remote, usually near the top. Press and hold this Setup button. You'll notice the indicator light at the top of the remote will change from red to green, or it might flash. This signals that the remote is ready for programming. Now, let's pair your remote with your television. After the indicator light changes, quickly enter the 3-digit code specific to your television brand. You can usually find these codes in your remote's manual or on the Xfinity support website. Once you enter the code, the indicator light should flash 2 times, confirming successful pairing. Test this by trying to adjust your television's volume. Next, we'll connect your remote to your Xfinity cable box. Press and hold the Setup button once more until the indicator light changes again. Then, enter the 5-digit code that corresponds to your specific Xfinity cable box model. Just like before, the light will flash 2 times to confirm the connection. Your remote should now fully control your Xfinity services, including channel changes and menu navigation. If you encounter any issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, ensure you have fresh batteries. 2 AA batteries are typically required. Old or weak batteries are a common culprit. You can also try resetting the remote by removing the batteries for about 15 seconds and then reinserting them. If you're still having trouble, visit the Xfinity support website for a comprehensive list of codes and further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.